How to be a self-made stock market millionaire. In today's fast-paced and constantly evolving financial world, this may seem like a daunting task. However, with the right mindset, strategic planning, it's an achievable goal for those willing to put in the hard work. Let's get into the must-have skills needed to navigate the complex world of stock investing and accumulating significant wealth over time. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Educate yourself on the stock market. Understanding the fundamentals is a must for anyone aspiring to become a self-made millionaire. Education in various investment strategies and financial analysis techniques can significantly improve one's ability to make sound investment decisions. One must also remain proactive in monitoring their investments and constantly adapting their strategies to align with changing market conditions. By honing these skills and diligently applying them, it's possible to achieve substantial financial success through strategic stock market investments. Number 2. Only invest what you can afford to lose. This cardinal rule allows you to remain level-headed and minimize financial distress. Taking calculated risks is important to unlock potentially massive returns, while exercising restraint helps prevent devastating setbacks. By combining a willingness to cautiously explore lucrative investment opportunities with a solid foundation of financial prudence, you set yourself on the path to achieving stock market success. Number 3. Start as soon as possible. To embark on the journey towards becoming a self-made stock market millionaire, it's important to begin as soon as possible. The earlier one starts investing, the more time there is to learn, grow, and adapt to the ever-changing market demands. By accumulating knowledge and experience, it becomes feasible to identify lucrative opportunities and capitalize on them. Ultimately, the passion and dedication invested in mastering the art of the stock market will pave the way to attaining financial success and independence. Number 4. Stay informed on market trends. It's a must to stay informed on market trends and develop a strategic investment approach. Keeping a keen eye on global market fluctuations is key to making informed decisions that could significantly impact your financial future. By continuously analyzing new investment opportunities and assessing potential risks, you can better position yourself for financial success. Number 5. Avoid emotional trading. Develop a disciplined and strategic approach to investing. One of the key factors in achieving this success is mastering the art of avoiding emotional trading. By keeping emotions in check and making decisions based on data and analysis rather than feelings, an investor can optimize their portfolio performance and mitigate potential risks. Implementing this mindset enables a strong foundation for long-term financial growth and stability. Number 6. Set up automatic transfers. In order to achieve financial success and potentially become a self-made stock market millionaire, it is crucial to establish smart financial habits early on. One such habit is setting up automatic transfers to funnel a portion of your income into investment accounts. This allows you to invest regularly without much effort, helping you accumulate wealth consistently over time. Number 7. Keep investment costs low. To successfully become a self-made stock market millionaire, it is imperative to keep investment costs low. The key lies in understanding the intricacies of the financial market and making well-informed investment decisions. By adopting a disciplined and smart approach, one can maximize profits while mitigating losing risks involved. A strong foundation and continued learning can pave the way for a prosperous journey in the world of financial investments. Number 8. Invest for the long term. Investing for the long term is critical. To achieve this goal, it's a great idea to develop a well-thought-out and diverse investment strategy that maximizes returns while minimizing risks. By consistently allocating resources to financial investments that have the potential to grow over time, investors can create a solid foundation for their future wealth. Investing for the long term and maintaining a disciplined approach can significantly increase one's chances of achieving financial success. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the links in our description box below. Number 9. Stay focused on your purpose. Maintain unwavering focus and determination. This journey is one filled with countless challenges and potential pitfalls, but by keeping your eyes on the prize, these obstacles can be effectively navigated. With a well-planned strategy and a disciplined mindset, you can harness the power of the stock market to generate significant wealth. As you embark on this rewarding path, remember that dedication to your purpose will be a cornerstone of your ultimate success. Number 10. Minimize taxes on investment gains. Tax efficiency plays a major role in retaining and maximizing the returns on your investments. By understanding various tax strategies and regulations, you can make informed decisions to ultimately increase your net worth. Implementing these strategies will not only allow you to keep more of your hard-earned profits, but also bring you closer to your goal of achieving millions. Number 11. Diversify your portfolio. This strategy enables investors to minimize risk and maximize returns, paving the way towards becoming a self-made stock market millionaire. By allocating resources across various financial instruments, you create a safety net that protects your overall portfolio from market volatility. Engaging in thorough research, staying informed about market trends, and carefully planning your investment decisions are essential steps to build and maintain a diversified investment portfolio for long-term financial growth. Number 12. Earn compound interest. One must understand the powerful concept of compound interest. This fundamental principle allows your investments to grow exponentially over time, provided that you consistently reinvest your earnings. As wealth accumulates and gains momentum, you'll notice returns increase at a faster pace, thereby accelerating your path to financial success. By diligently focusing on earning compound interest through smart investment decisions, you can transform your financial future and attain the coveted status of a stock market millionaire. Number 13. Reinvest dividends. Reinvesting dividends is another key strategy for those looking to become self-made stock market millionaires. By consistently using earned dividends to buy additional shares, investors can capitalize on the power of compound interest and exponential growth. This approach allows for the accumulation of wealth over time, using market volatility to your advantage. And with a well-diversified portfolio, accumulating wealth through reinvested dividends is not just a far-fetched dream, but an attainable goal. Number 14. Track your progress. Developing a well-thought-out strategy and consistently monitoring your investments can help mitigate risks and maximize returns. Furthermore, understanding market trends and adapting your approach accordingly is essential in this ever-evolving financial landscape. By diligently staying informed and analyzing your performance, you increase the likelihood of making great decisions and creating long-term wealth through intelligent investments. Number 15. Invest consistently. By regularly participating in the stock market, anyone can steadily grow their wealth over time. A disciplined approach to investing, along with patience and a well-researched strategy, can yield significant returns in the long run. This method of consistent participation in the stock market not only helps individuals build their financial portfolio, but also reinforces responsible financial habits for the future. Number 16. Network with successful investors. Establishing connections with experienced professionals can provide valuable insights and advice on investment strategies, market trends, and risk management. By consistently learning from and collaborating with these mentors, aspiring investors will be better equipped to navigate the complex world of the stock market. Ultimately, fostering these relationships can pave the way for long-lasting financial success and personal growth in the investment world. We recommend you watch these next 2 videos on wealth creating.